Hi there. Today, we'll walk you through the process of tightening the oil pump chain, replacing the oil filter, and changing the oil on a 2017 BMW X5M. Here are the tools and parts needed. 1. Jack and jack stands. 2. Drain pan. 3. Socket set. 4. Torque wrench. 5. Oil filter wrench. 6. Allen wrench, for the oil pump chain. 7. New oil filter. 8. New oil filter gasket. 9. Engine oil. 10. New oil drain plug gasket. 11. Replacement gasket for the oil sump bottom section. 12. Bolts for the oil pan torque 25 Newton meters. Let's get started. First, we need to safely lift the car. Use a reliable jack and secure it with jack stands. Make sure the engine is cool to avoid any burns. Locate and remove the underbody protection or the reinforcement plate to gain access to the oil pan and drain plug. Position a drain pan under the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Using a socket wrench, carefully remove the oil drain plug, letting the oil flow into the pan. Once it's fully drained, replace the gasket on the oil drain plug. Now, screw the drain plug back in place and tighten it to 40 Newton meters. Locate the oil filter housing. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen the housing and remove the used filter. To check if the oil pump chain needs adjustment, remove the engine oil pan by unscrewing the bolts around it. Locate the oil pump chain underneath the oil pan and check the chain tension. As seen, the chain is somewhat loose. Adjust it by first removing the following bolt, presented in this picture. This bolt gives access to the tensioner, reached by the special Allen tool presented before. Tighten the chain as seen in the video. After succeeding, reinstall the bolt with 12 Newton meters torque. When reattaching the oil pan, or the oil sump, tighten the bolts to 25 Newton meters torque. Insert the new filter and gasket, securing the filter housing back in place and tightening it to 40 Newton meters. Be sure that the oil drain plug and the oil filter cap are securely installed. Use 40 Newton meters torque for both. Remove the oil filler cap at the top of the engine. Pour in the recommended 8 to 5 liters of SAE 5W30. Once done, check the oil level with the dipstick and replace the oil filler cap. Reattach the underbody protection or reinforcement plate, ensuring each bolt is securely tightened to the specified torque in the BMW manual, suggested 165 Newton meters. Start the engine, letting it run briefly to circulate the oil, check for any leaks around the drain plug, oil filter, and oil pan. Then, check the oil level one last time and top up if needed. And that's it. Finally, enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching.